This lesson focuses on syllable and affixes. Sort 14. Syllable juncture in vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and vowel, vowel patterns. These are your words for the week. Diet, subtract, riot, pumpkin, mushroom, lion, cruel, children, complete, inspect, control, giant, dial, trial, monster, address, sandwich, 100, kingdom, poet. We normally think of words as just one part of speech, but sometimes a word can be used in a different and creative way. You may think of the word sandwich and mushroom as nouns and as types of food, but the words can also be used as verbs. Let's take a look. The word sandwich as a noun, it is 2 slices of bread with a filling between them, like this picture here. As a verb, it is to insert between 2 other things. This football player here is sandwiched between the 2. The word mushroom as a noun, it is a fungus that grows with a stem topped by a cap, and some mushrooms are edible. As a verb, it can mean to grow very quickly. You can say that the population of the United States has mushroomed in the past 10 years. That means it has grown quickly and a lot in the past 10 years. Let's practice sorting the words. First, let's take a look at the word athlete. The word athlete is broken into 2 syllables, ath and lete. Do you see a pattern in the middle of this word? Yes, I see the words ath and lete. I see a vowel, consonant, consonant here, broken between a consonant and vowel. The word pilgrim is also broken into 2 syllables, pill and grim. In the first part of the syllable, I see IL, vowel and consonant, and in the second syllable, I see consonant, consonant, vowel in grim. In this word, create, it is also broken into 2 syllables, cre and ate, and the patterns I see are the E, which is a vowel, and the A in the part of ate. Sandwich. I hear sandwich break into syllables after the 2 consonants ND. Athlete is also broken into syllables after 2 consonants. I'm going to put sandwich under athlete. Subtract. I hear the word subtract broken up into vowel consonant like in pilgrim. I'm going to put subtract under pilgrim. Dial. I hear the word dial broken up with a vowel like in create. So in dial, here's the vowel that breaks it up as the I. I will put that under create. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is also broken up in syllables after the consonant vowel. I'm going to put that under athlete. Giant. That is broken up into syllables after the vowel. I'll put that under create. Lion. That is also broken up into syllables after the vowel I. I will put that under create. And kingdom, that is also broken up after two consonants, like in athlete. Let's read the words in each column. Sandwich, pumpkin, kingdom, mushroom. What do you notice about the words in this column? What patterns do you see in the middle of the words? Let's take a look at this one. Subtract, children, complete, inspect, control, monster, address, 100. What do you notice about the words in this column? What pattern do you see in the middle of the word? Dial, giant, lion, riot, diet, trail, poet, cruel. How about this column? What do you notice about the words in this column? What pattern do you see in the middle of the word? What do you notice about the two consonants right before or after the syllable breaks? That is right. They are a blend or digraph. Which patterns of these form closed syllables in the first syllable? Vowel, consonant, 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 vowel, and vowel, consonant, 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 vowel. Which pattern forms an open syllable in the first syllable? That is correct. It is the vowel and vowel. What more did you learn about two-syllable words from this sort? When there are three consonants in the middle of a word, how do you know where to divide the word into syllables? You can look for the blend or digraph and keep those consonants in the same syllable.